Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free for 30 days. This is the official free trial from Canva, and it lets you use all the premium features without paying at least for a whole month. First, open up your browser and go to canva.com, and if you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's a quick and free. If you already have one, just log in. Next, look for the button that says Try Canva Pro, usually at the top right corner. Click it and you'll be taken to the Canva Pro page. So in here you can click the start your free trial. You'll need to choose a plan monthly or yearly and enter your payment details like a card or PayPal. So don't worry, you won't be charged right away. Also, set a reminder to cancel before your 30 days are up if you don't want to be charged. And once you confirm, your account will instantly upgrade to Pro, giving you access to premium templates, elements, videos, background remover, and more. And that's it. Enjoy your 30 days of Canva Pro for free. If this helped you out, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick tips.